Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights to your Facebook stories. Friends, please write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's get on with this topic. Please open the Facebook application on your phone. Then at the top, click on your profile. Then go to your profile, click in the right corner of the word edit on the three dots. Next is the archive and the history archive. And now click on any of the history that you have here. And then click on this sign in the bottom right corner. Now you can somehow sign your story here, or rather your highlights that will remain in the story. After that, click on Done. Next, you can also add some moments. You can choose absolutely any pictures from your gallery, let's say whatever you like, and then press Done. And now when you have made all the changes, just click Done in the top right corner. Wait for a while, maybe a few seconds, everything will load. Next, go back out to your profile. You can update it just to make sure. And people will now be able to see that you have history highlights on your Facebook. That's it, folks. That's how you can easily add story highlights to your Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful. Please leave your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you all again.